Once upon a time, in a small village named Greenfield, there lived a doctor named Dr. Horace. He would charge his patients exorbitant fees, even if they were poor and could barely afford food. The villagers had no choice but to visit him because he was the only doctor in town, but they all secretly wished for someone kinder to take his place. Many families sold their belongings just to afford his treatment, but no matter how much medicine he gave, the illness did not go away. An old woman named Granny Mabel, who knew a lot about herbs and natural remedies, noticed something strange. She visited Dr. Horace and said, "Doctor, your medicines are not working. Maybe we should try something different?" Dr. Horace scoffed. "Nonsense, my medicines are the best. If they're not working, the patients aren't paying enough." Granny Mabel shook her head and left. She decided to help the sick villagers herself, using her knowledge of herbs. Slowly, some people began to recover. When Dr. Horace saw that Granny Mabel was curing people for free, he grew furious. "She's stealing my patients," he thought. He decided to teach her a lesson. One night, he sneaked into her garden and poisoned her healing herbs. The next day, when Granny Mabel used them, her remedies stopped working. The villagers grew sicker than before. But what Dr. Horace didn't know was that a little boy, Tommy, had seen him poisoning the herbs. Tommy told the villagers what he had witnessed. The angry villagers confronted Dr. Horace. "You've been making us sick on purpose," they accused. The doctor tried to deny it, but the evidence was clear. The villagers decided to banish him from Greenfield. Ashamed and with no place to go, Dr. Horace wandered into the forest. There, he fell ill with the same sickness he had failed to cure. Weak and alone, he realized the error of his ways. Granny Mabel, kind as ever, found him in the forest. Despite what he had done, she nursed him back to health. "You helped me, after everything?" Dr. Horace asked in disbelief. "Everyone deserves a second chance," she replied. Touched by her kindness, Dr. Horace finally understood the value of compassion. He returned to the village, apologized to everyone, and started treating patients for free. From that day on, he was no longer known as the greedy doctor, but as the kind healer of Greenfield.